how to enable or disable Wi-Fi Hotspot 2.0 connection on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Next, in here, tap on the settings icon. Then from the settings page, we go down and tap on connections. After that, tap on Wi-Fi. Then tap on the More button. From the pop-up menu, tap on Advanced Settings. Then go down and tap on Hotspot 2.0. So tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on Hotspot 2.0. Now if you tap on the left hand side, you can go in here and tap on Open Roaming. In here you can view the fully qualified domain name, and you can turn on or turn off auto reconnect. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key or the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.